Hi, I'm Ben Tilley. I am the Head of Performance and Operations at the Bank of Queensland. In that role, I've got a broad scope, and one of the areas of scope in that role is looking at change and change management practices across the business. About 18 months to 2 years ago at the bank, we had a number of projects happening through the organisation, and one of the concerns I had there was that change management wasn't being adequately addressed in what we did, how we did things, and the people aspects weren't necessarily becoming part of the project. We embarked on a process of looking at change management from an organisational perspective and saying, okay, what do we do? How do we do this? How do we get some policies, some practices in place? We were lucky enough to find the Diploma of Organisational Change Management. That provided organisationally a contextual program which gave us great tool sets, coaching for people, consistency of practices. What we've further done with that, and working with Christina Dean on that, is embedded the people and the processes into the way we deal with our projects, in the way that we assess and look at the budgets for our projects. So we're in a position now where change management is discussed in every project, it's considered in every project. The people aspects of change are embedded. One of the great things for us around the tool set has been credibility and consistency. As with any project management methodologies, there's a lot of frameworks and tools, and one of the really good things the Diploma of Organisational Change Management's given our organisation is tools which we can quickly adapt and utilise, which provide structure, methodology, and give a degree of credibility about what change is, how change works, and the outcomes of change, rather than change being seen as something which is a little more fluffy. From an organisational point of view as well, the Diploma of Change Management is a course which we put our people through. So it provides consistency in terms of knowledge, consistency in terms of approach, and consistency in terms of beliefs. So I guess those would be some of the reasons why we've decided to go down that pathway.